Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see how to fix WhatsApp frequent crash problem on iPhone. After a particular update or all of a sudden when you try to open WhatsApp, you may be seeing the issue like it opens and immediately crashes and force closes. So in such case, the workaround that we are going to try right now is go to the App Store and then download WhatsApp Business. If you are using dual WhatsApp like the WhatsApp regular version and WhatsApp Business, then this method will not be helpful to you. The workaround that we are going to do right now is we have to reinstall the WhatsApp regular version in order to fix the problem. So this will work only if you're using any one of the WhatsApp version on your iPhone. Like with dual SIM, we can use individual WhatsApp account for regular version and the business version. So if you're using any one of them, then proceed following the tips that I'm going to share with you right now. Straight away, when we do the reinstallation of the WhatsApp, then we will lose all the data that is in WhatsApp, and now we cannot take a backup of WhatsApp data, the chats and media contents to the iCloud because the WhatsApp is not opening as it frequently crashes and force closes. So you have to set up the WhatsApp business account. It is the same step as WhatsApp regular version. And if you have enabled the two-step verification for your WhatsApp regular version, it will ask you when you open it and try to set up. So the process that we are going to do right now is we are going to transfer all the WhatsApp regular version, which is actually crashing and force closing. Without opening the app, we are going to migrate all the data safely to the WhatsApp business version. Okay, if the problem is happening with the business, then you need to install the WhatsApp regular version and do the opposite process. So here, if you accidentally forgotten the two-step verification, then with your phone number, you can proceed with the reset of the two-step verification for your WhatsApp account. Follow the steps provided on the the recovery steps. Then you can proceed setting up and complete the WhatsApp regular to business version or business to regular. All the data will be transferred safely. And as you can see that immediately, as it is a local on storage transfer, you can see all the chats and media content, the links that I have shared with my friend, everything is present here. And you can verify once or twice with most of the important chats and any sensitive contents that you have stored with your WhatsApp, the attachments that you have stored on your WhatsApp account, whether everything is transferred safely to your business account or not. So it is not mandatory to use the business version because compared to the regular version, WhatsApp Business have limited set of features, and whatever the new feature that WhatsApp rolls out, it comes to the regular version and not to the business version at first. So here, when you open the WhatsApp regular version, now it prompts you like the screen will be like a new WhatsApp setup. So because we have transferred all the data, you can use any one account at a time with a particular data that you have used. So you have now migrated all the accounts to the business version. Now you can reinstall the WhatsApp regular version to fix the strange WhatsApp frequent crash problem. We have already suggested some troubleshooting steps like WhatsApp offload method. Only if that didn't work and even a simple phone restart didn't work, and even after updating the WhatsApp, if the problem is non-stop for you, then you can try the workaround that we are seeing right now. So here you can see I'm again moving all the data from business to regular version, and the WhatsApp is not crashing right now. So it's a WhatsApp specific bug that is randomly affecting some iPhone users, and the problem is now fixed. And now when I open the WhatsApp Business, you can see that it'll prompt you like a step that you need to set up the WhatsApp for the first time. And if you do it continuously for more than 5 or 6 times, as I displayed in the screen, you will not receive the one-time password on your number because temporarily it will blacklist, and you need to try after 1 or 2 days in order to receive the OTP and complete the migration or transfer or setting up the WhatsApp account. Either it is regular or business version, you need to do it at the first step itself, otherwise it will be complicated. And the important tip that I also like to share is in case of such crash and force close problem, my suggestion is either to use the WhatsApp iCloud backup or move the important invoice, bill copy or any attachments to your local storage or iCloud storage or Google Drive to prevent any data loss, or the data is there but you will not be able to access if it is an app specific bug or a problem. A periodical backup of important data either to the iCloud or to the Google Drive or to the local computer of your entire iPhone will also be helpful in this case. Also, you can manually take a backup of WhatsApp and store it in your local computer with a paid software like iMazing on Mac or Windows. I'll leave a link to that in the description and in the first comment. Also, I will bring a video shortly about how to use the iMazing software. So I hope overall this information helped you to fix WhatsApp frequent crash and force close problem. Thank you, and for more, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.